Hi everyone, welcome back to online classes. 8th class Physical Science, Chapter 7 Coal and Petroleum, Part 3. In Part 1 and Part 2, we have discussed identifying materials for different purposes and sources of materials. In that sources of materials, exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources, and also a brief history of petroleum and whether petroleum is exhaustible or inexhaustible also we have discussed. And one more thing about biodiesel also we have discussed. So in this session, let us discuss coal, petroleum and natural gas as fuels. So how can we use coal as a fuel and petroleum as a fuel and natural gas as a fuel? Let us discuss one by one. Earlier people used kiln for cooking purpose. Kiln, kiln. So kiln is in Telugu we can say poyi. So in earlier people used kiln for cooking. Now people are using gas stove or kerosene stove, and one more also induction stove also nowadays use induction stove. In kiln, what is the fuel used in kiln for cooking? So here firewood. So wood is used as a fuel. Okay. And what is the fuel in gas stove? So here itself is there gas. So that gas is LPG. LPG, liquid petroleum gas. And in kerosene stove, the fuel is kerosene. Okay, kerosene. And induction stove, nowadays induction stove also using, here fuel is a electricity. So electricity, okay, electrical power is using as a fuel. So these are all for cooking purpose. So for cooking purpose using as a fuel. So fuel not only using for cooking, other purposes also is there. So what are the other uses fuel is using for? One thing is for cooking, and second one is for transporting. For transport also fuel is needed. For transport, like vehicles like cars, buses, two-wheelers, and train also you can add. Train also need fuel. And in water, people also traveling in water, that is ships, there also this fuel is needed. So what is the fuel is using in ships and train? Before, in olden days, coal is used as a fuel in trains. So in ships, bunker fuel, you can say bunker fuel, or fuel oil, we can say fuel oil. Fuel oil is used as a fuel in ships. So in trains, olden days, coal is used. Nowadays, electricity is using as a fuel. So two uses we have discussed here. For cooking, fuel is required, and for transport, fuel is required. And one more also is there for generation of electricity. The production of electricity also fuel is required. Earlier, you read about windmills. Windmills. So in windmills, what is the fuel? Wind power. People used wind power in windmills. By using wind power, they did so many activities. And after that, this steam engine was invented during the Industrial Revolution. So during the Industrial Revolution, we can say Industrial revolution. So during the Industrial Revolution, this steam engine was invented. During the period of steam engine, for all the activities, steam engine is used to power everything. To power everything for all the activities, this steam engine is used from cloth looms to vehicles on land and water. For vehicles also, vehicles run on land, vehicles run on water. For that also, this steam engine is used. Coal was the most important fuel in 19th century. So in 19th century, coal was the most important fuel. We know that it is an exhaustible fuel. So coal is an exhaustible fuel. It is not available forever. If you use the coal as the current rate of using, another 250 to 300 years we can use this coal as a fuel. It is available for another 250 to 300 years if you maintain the same rate of using what we are using now. Till 1950, coal is used to generate electricity. Okay, to generate electricity. That is also half of the production of the electricity in the world. This coal is used to generate the half of the electricity for the world. Then afterwards, coal was replaced by petroleum. After this technology is developed and more efficient engines were invented, then in place of coal, people are used petroleum. Coal was replaced by petroleum with the invention of more efficient engines in different vehicles. Now coal is mostly used to produce electricity in thermal power stations. Now coal is using only for production of electricity, that is in thermal power station. In thermal power station, this coal is using for the generation of electricity. Coal is an ancient gift serving modern society. Coal has been known and used for thousands of years. That means from thousands years people are using this coal. It is one of our earliest source of heat and light. Mostly people use this coal for heat and light. But it became a fuel of importance only after the revolution of industrial. Okay, during the industrial revolution, it became popular as a fuel. So which led to an increase in demand as a fuel. So after the industrial revolution, this coal is using as a fuel. Demand also more demand as a fuel. This coal is using. Do you know that the coal is obtained from firewood, and the coal is used in machines like vehicles and factories is different. The coal is obtained from firewood is different from the coal is used in vehicles and factories is different. The coal obtained from firewood is called charcoal, and the coal is used for vehicles and factories. It is mined from earth crust. This coal is used in vehicles and factories. That is why these two types of coals are there. One is obtained from firewood and another one is mined from the earth crust. Do you know? Petrol and diesel which are used in vehicles today are obtained from minerals called petroleum. So petrol and diesel which are using now in vehicles, it is obtained from petroleum. So this petroleum has been known almost Since prehistoric times onwards, this petroleum known to the people. More than 4,000 years ago, asphalt is a petroleum product. You can say asphalt is a petroleum product is during this one 4,000 years ago. Asphalt petroleum product was used in construction of walls and towers of Babylon. For construction purpose, this asphalt is used. The famous construction Babylon. During this construction of Babylon, this asphalt is used. There are also records from ancient China about shallow wells being dug to get petroleum. But what did our ancestors do with this petroleum? They mainly used for making their wooden boats waterproof, for waterproof purpose. Okay, for waterproof. They have wooden boats. So for this wooden boats, they used this for as a waterproof. So they also used fuel for their lamps and also used as a traditional remedies. So we realized that importance of petroleum after science and technology was developed. Then only we are using to run the vehicles, to run the engines, petrol and diesel. So we are using after this science and technology was developed. Next one, natural gas is another important fuel. Natural gas is another important fuel. Let us see. Natural gas is found trapped between impervious rocks. Impervious rocks sometimes along with petroleum and sometimes without petroleum. So impervious rocks between inside the earth crust, there is a bed of rocks. In between these impervious rocks, this natural gas was found. Sometimes the natural gas is available along with petroleum and sometimes without petroleum. So while pumping out the petroleum previously, they do not recognize as importance as this petroleum. That is why they left out and sometimes they burn out also. Now natural gas also as important as the petroleum because it is safer for environment. So for environment it is safe. We can save for gas, save for fuel. So we can use it. There is no pollution for environment. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. CNG, we can call CNG, compressed natural gas. So under high pressure, this natural gas is stored in a cylinders. That is called CNG, compressed natural gas. The exploration for more petroleum and natural gas under the supervision of ONGC. Under the supervision of ONGC, it's going on. What is ONGC? Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. That is the full form of ONGC. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. So under the supervision of ONGC, the exploration of petroleum, more petroleum and natural gas is going on under the supervision of ONGC. So in India, gas fields have discovered in Tripura, Mumbai High, Krishna and Godavari Delta and Jaisalmer. So in these places, gas is available plenty. So Tripura, Mumbai High, Krishna and Godavari Delta, Jaisalmer. Next one, other uses of coal, petroleum and natural gas. Generally, most of us think petroleum is a source of fuel. So we'll think only petroleum is only for, it is a source of only for fuel. But advances in our understanding of various chemical processes has led to us use of both coal and petroleum as a starting material of a wide variety of products. So many products also we can derive from this petroleum. So petroleum is the starting product to discover so many products. So let us observe what is that. Petroleum is a complex mixture It is separated into various components by separation technique known as a fractional distillation. By using this separation technique, fractional distillation. By using this fractional distillation, the more components are derived from the petroleum. So look at the figure 2. We can see the various products which are now being obtained from petroleum. Initially, the separation techniques available were not advanced and could separate only few components from the petroleum mixture. Because of separation techniques are not advanced, that is why only few components could be separated. One of the first fractions to be separated from petroleum was kerosene. The first product is kerosene. Okay, kerosene. So which was found to be better fuel than the petroleum. Now we can separate many more components like fuel gas, petrol, okay, fuel gas, petrol, okay, diesel, etc. So you can observe the figure. All are obtained from petroleum mixture. These components of petroleum are then used to obtain other products also. So observe the figure, you can understand here refining of petroleum diagram is there. So below 40 degrees Celsius, fuel gas, LPG, fertilizer, synthetic rubber to make chemicals, shoe polish. For your understanding purpose, what are the other uses of coal and petroleum? All are given. So by observing this diagram, you have to do an activity, that is the homework for you. So activity 3 is there, identifying various uses of petroleum. Observe this diagram and write down their uses, different uses also. Here is given clearly in the diagram. You have to write that names only. For example, name of the petroleum product, petrol, fuel oil, kerosene, diesel oil, paraffin, wax. These are all uses are there here in the diagram. Observe clearly, okay, observe carefully the diagram and write down the answers in table 4. Let's meet again in the next class. Thank you.